Yogurt 250 gram. Baking soda a half teaspoon. Mix well and set it aside to foam up. Sugar 150 gram. Vegetable oil a half cup. Whisk together until combined. Pour the yogurt mixture. Mix well. Vanilla essence 1 teaspoon. Mix well. All-purpose flour 180 gram. Baking powder 1 teaspoon. Sift it well. Gently mix until everything is well combined. Do not overmix. Milk a third cup. Gently mix until well combined. Lemon juice 1 tablespoon. Gently mix until well combined. Strawberries chunks 1 cup. Fold it well. Scoop the batter into muffin cases. Add some chopped strawberries. Preheat oven at 180 degrees Celsius and bake for 25 minutes. Enjoy!